Welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Booking.com application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this process will help you out. First of all, launch open your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Booking.com in the search bar. From the search results, look for the Booking.com travel deals application from Booking.com and tap on the install or the cloud icon or the get button. Wait for the app to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Booking.com allows you to search and book hotels, flights, and rentals directly from your mobile devices. After waiting for a couple of minutes, click on the open button to launch open the app, and there you have successfully installed the Booking.com app on your smartphone. Now you can go ahead and sign in or create a new account for Booking.com, and you will be ready to search and book accommodations on the go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.